This is Tractor Pull Challenge 2022. Now everybody has to drive fast with their cars. All the competitors are lined up and are cleared for safety and tech inspection. So we got all the toys. Let's separate the men from the boys. The object is to pull this behemoth, the bullhead, up a 16-degree incline without stopping, getting as far as you can and passing the finish line at the top. And second chances are not allowed. So, object of this test is to drag this behemoth up this hill. We will score each rig by distance and extra points for crossing the finish line. Like over there. So let's meet our first rig. So this is Midnight Pumpkin. Tactic is today to keep it in one piece. Let's hook up the rig. Get the steel cable out through the wheelie bar, which is the tactic here to keep the weight down low. This is Midnight Pumpkin taking up slack, and she's ready to punch it, and bam! Oh, what happened? Nothing happened. Absolutely nothing. Car's just standing still. No control. Just bailed out. What an unfortunate run. Second chances are not allowed. We are going to measure this run though. So from the line coming down to the front of the tire, we measure exactly 1.5 centimeters, which will go to the rig score. And the next competitor we will be hooking up over the rear axle direct to have the lowest drag point possible. Our next competitor is called the K5 Thumper. He has heavy axles, should be a benefit to this run, and he's got the jitters in his belly. And he's taken up slack and he's just waiting for the bell. Taking it, ooh, oh boy, okay, ripped that line right off. Let's go back and reconnect the rig. Okay, perfect, inline and ready to go. And that's it. Distance measured to the front wheels are 4 meters 15. Our next competitor is called the Chopped Blazer. He's got a very heavy body, weight on his side, and he just wants to keep it in one piece. Start off slow and accelerate as he progresses. Taking up slack. And off he goes. Got into the loose rocks straight away, slipping off the side of the rock. Let's measure the distance. This was not a good run for him. He's coming in at 3 meters 77. Next up is Rusty Red, and his tactic is to keep the metal to the pedal. Slowly taking up slack, also connected directly to the axle, and waiting for the bell. Off he goes. That looks like quite a nice run, but in the end he did get up into the loose rocks, losing grip. So let's measure his distance. He's coming in at 354. And here we have the orange minion, and his tactic is to walk in and hit it hard. And he's taking up slack. There we go, waiting for the bell. And off he goes. That is a complete disaster. That was not a good run for him. Got into the loose rocks and slipped off to the side very, very early. And he's coming in at 243. And here we have the Rubicon Smasher. He wants to start off slow and then pick up speed. And taking up slack and then waiting for the bell. Waiting for the bell, and off he goes. Oh boy, he landed on his roof, but he made a good run. Let's measure his distance. And he is coming in at 4 meters and 11. And last but not least, we have the TRX Ford. He says he's just gonna keep it slow because he is the crawler king. He's taken up slack, and let's see how he crawls to the finish line. Rig is still moving. And that's it. And he has come in at 399. So this behemoth is coming in at a weight of too much to handle for all the other rigs. So the clear winner is the bullhead, because it hasn't been past the finish line. So no extra points for anybody.